accordingly NBC. The capacity is 2.75. And becomes according to the suggestion, gate valve has been used because as per size is concerned, according to size, we'll have to use the gate valve. Gate valve, after that is strainer. There is a strainer. Strainer is there, and we are coming for the common suction header. After the common suction header, if we go to the individual pump, then we will check there is one gate valve. As per the size is concerned, there is a centric reducer. Then pump comes again concentric reducer. There is an NRV, there is a butterfly valve, and it goes to discharge header. Both individual pump, the same arrangement is there. Individual pump, there is the sprinkler main pump, there is the hydrant main pump, there is a jockey, there is an engine. If there is two systems of sprinkler and hydrant system is there. We have been separated sprinkler system. The sprinkler system is not going to be support to hydrant system, but there is NRV. Whenever a sprinkler system has required, then hydrant pump can support to them. If it is not able to support, if the system pressure has been reduced more than 6 kg, then what happened? The hydrant will get started and it will start to support the sprinkler system.
Okay.
But in the case of the hydrant, pressure reduced, it can't be supported. There is one separator is there.
NRV.
There is NRV. So total system is automated, and that depends on the pressure gauge and pressure switch.
Yes.
And pressure switch, in the case of the pressure switch in the sprinkler system, there is one pressure switch, one pressure gauge. And the cut-off pressures we have been mentioned, cut-on pressures and cut-off pressure. This is automatically on but manual off as per NBC.
Okay.
The pressure cut-off, there is 7 kg we have been mentioned there for the sprinkler pump.
This will go and it will give the command.
It goes to the panel. The panel, there will be the one command, NC command. Once the pressure will reduce, there will go to the NC command and pump will get started automatically. There is a jockey. Jockey we already mentioned that there is a pressure. This is the system where automatically on, automatically off. The automatically on, the pressure cut off 10 kg and cut on is 8 kg as per design.
Exactly. We have the design sheet over here.
Then we comes to the hydrant pump.
I have one question. Why do we have this height of jockey to maintain built-up pressure?
That is the vertical. Whatever the height is not depend. There is two things for the pump selection: discharge and head. And discharge and head accordingly efficiency will refer to